Hello, if you are watching this presentation, you are about to embark on a business meeting to Seoul, South Korea. Before you go, it is important for you to know some common customs in the business world of South Korea. Throughout this presentation, we will give you the tools you will need to have a successful business trip for our company. The first meeting with Korean business people will be your first interaction with the Korean culture, and it will be very different from what you are used to. In Korean culture, it is custom to have someone introduce you to the Korean business people the first time. Handshakes are now commonplace in Korean business culture, but if a bow is presented, then a bow should be reciprocated. The final thing you will need to know for your first meeting is to exchange business cards. This is important so both parties know the correct title to address each other by. In South Korea, it is very important to schedule meetings multiple weeks if not more in advance. This is common courtesy because Korean business people are often very busy. Another custom in Korean culture is to give gifts at the first business meeting. This gift should be presented after they present their gift. When presenting the gift, do so with both hands, and this is the same for accepting the gift as well. The gift exchange represents building a relationship in Korean culture, which is very important to them and our company. In Korean culture, it is important to follow customs to show respect. One way to show respect is by knowing a handful of phrases such as "안녕," which means hello. Another common custom is to bow when meeting someone for the first time. If you know the person, a simple nod of the head will suffice. The last common custom is to take your shoes off when entering homes and/or traditional Korean restaurants. This is a sign of respect and is important to know so you don't show disrespect to their culture. Since you will likely have a business meeting in a restaurant, it is important to know common etiquette for the setting. As said in the previous slide, it is important to take off your shoes before entering the restaurant. In Korean tradition, it is important that the eldest always eat first. Respect for elders is a very important tradition in the culture. Another sign of etiquette is to always pour drinks for others, but never yourself. When dining, you might notice the slurping of noodles, and this is a normal sign of enjoying and appreciating the food. Do this to show respect for the person who prepared your meal. The last custom is to tip your waiter by directly handing them the tip quietly. In Korean business culture, it is important to dress conservatively. When dressing, you should match the business attire that the Korean culture uses. This usually involves mute colors such as grays, blacks, and blues. If you do not dress correctly, then it will be frowned upon. Knowing these common customs and etiquette will help you achieve a successful business trip to Korea. Make sure you know these customs like the back of your hand to avoid showing disrespect and making the company look unprofessional. Remember, you represent our company and play an important role in the success of this trip. Thank you for listening, and as they say in South Korea, 안녕한 여행.